power steering pump, pulley, installer, and removal tool from Orion Motortech will help you get the job done right the first time. Constructed from heat-treated structural grade No. 45 steel and blackened to provide long-lasting corrosion resistance as well as years of dependable use. Neatly packaged in this custom-molded case is a complete 7-piece kit which includes 2 puller jaws and sleeve, a pulley remover, 2 forcing screws, a pulley installer, and 1 power steering disconnect tool. First, prepare the puller remover and jaws. Next, insert the jaws and the puller onto the pulley as you see here. Secure the assembly using the enclosed sleeve. Snug down the pulley remover until it bottoms out. Using the appropriate size wrench and impact driver, tighten down on the puller. Gently pulse the tool with quick bursts until it releases. And before long, the pulley is off. Now we'll use the pulley installer and replace the pulley. Align the pulley in place by hand. Insert the pulley installer as you see here. Once the tool is set up, using a socket and ratchet, tighten down on the tool until the pulley bottoms out. It's that easy. The power steering pump, pulley installer, and removal tool from Orion Motortech, helping you get more life in your car.